In this video, I am going to show you a bash script that will list out all the available interfaces on the terminal. It will figure all of them and display them on a terminal. So here is the demo of the script that we are going to be creating. So I will execute that bash and then script.sh, and here we go. Here it is going to display all the interfaces, network interfaces that are available. And here I am using WSL. So let's just jump in. Okay, the screen. So the way this is going to be working, as we will be using ipconfig command to get the interfaces that are available. Like here we have Ethernet 0 and hello, Wi-Fi 0, and by using tag a flag, it is going to display all of them. So now we have all the available interfaces. Now we need to ignore all these lines and get only the names. So we can do that using grep. So I will fire that to grep, and here you can see we have the colon and then space. So that is the unique thing that we can identify that this is the required line that we need. So I will use that. Now here you can see we are listing those things. So now we need to remove all these things and just leave these things. So to do that, I will fab that to we will use the cut command to cut the things like f1 and then take d as everything after colon. And now here we have the available interfaces listed. So all we need is to just loop through them and list them out like this using a loop. So to do that, let's remove the current script, that is script.sh, and create a brand new one like script.sh, and we will need this command. So let's copy this, and I will open the VS Code. Here we have, and as always, the first thing is to include the shebang. So user bin bash in my case, and then in the output, as you might have noticed that we were having like numerical things like 1 and 2 and 3. So we will initialize a variable, let's say counter, and set that to 1. And then we will be looping through each of the result that is coming from this command and displaying that. So let's say for interface, or let's say I, in this expression that is that we tested right here in the terminal, and for each of them do this. So here we will have the done, and then we will echo out the counter, as well as let's add a dot here, and then the interface name, that is I. And then definitely we need to increment the counter, so counter ++. And now if I save this, let's go back to terminal and script.sh, and voila, here we go. It is going to display all of them. And now if I remove the tag a flag, it is going to display only the available ones that are 3 in this case. So we can use tag a flag as well, because we do have available these interfaces, but they are kind of like hidden. So that is how you can use the grep command and cut and ipconfig to list out all the available interfaces. This can be we can improve this by like something like ask user to pick up the interface, and then based on the interface that the user has chosen, do something like turn that off or turn that on, and something like that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.